Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're not going to get lost in the technical jargon. Instead, we're going to explore the practical ways AI tools can change your life for the better. Before we dive in, let's take a step back and define what we mean by AI tools. Think of them as helpful assistants that can take care of the tedious stuff, freeing up your time and energy for things you actually enjoy. Now, let's talk about specific examples of how AI can impact your daily routine. As productivity, by AI-powered to-do lists can prioritize tasks, schedule appointments, and even send reminders to keep you on track. Tools like Todoist and Remember the Milk use AI to learn your habits and suggest the best times to tackle different tasks. As organization by AI can help you declutter your digital life by automatically sorting files, organizing emails, and even managing your finances. Tools like Evernote and Google Assistant use AI to categorize information, making it easier to find what you need when you need it. As creativity, by AI is opening up new avenues for creative expression. Tools like DALL-E and Jasper can help you generate new ideas, write engaging content, and even design stunning visuals. Whether you're a writer, musician, or artist, AI can be a powerful creative partner. As health and fitness, by AI-powered fitness trackers and apps can help you monitor your activity levels, track progress towards your goals, and even offer personalized workout recommendations. Tools like Apple Watch and Fitbit use AI to analyze your data and provide insights to help you reach your fitness goals. As learning and education, by AI can personalize your learning experience and make education more engaging and effective. Tools like Duolingo and Khan Academy use AI to adapt to your learning pace and provide targeted feedback to help you master new concepts. So how do you get started with using AI tools? The good news is, there are plenty of free and affordable options available. Here are a few tips. First, identify your needs. So what are the areas of your life where you could use some help? Once you know your goals, you can start researching AI tools that address them. Second, read reviews and compare features. So don't just jump into the first tool you come across. Read reviews, compare features, and choose the tool that best suits your needs and budget. Third, start with simple tasks. So don't try to do too much at once. Start with simple tasks, and gradually incorporate more AI tools into your routine as you become more comfortable with them. Then don't be afraid to experiment. As there are countless AI tools available, so don't be afraid to experiment and try different ones until you find the ones that work best for you. Finally, AI is rapidly evolving, and the possibilities are endless. As AI technology continues to develop, we can expect even more innovative and powerful tools that will further enhance our lives. The future of AI is a bright one, and it's a future that we can all be excited about. So there you have it. A crash course on how AI tools can change your life. Remember, AI is not a replacement for human intelligence, but rather a powerful tool that can be used to augment our abilities and make our lives easier and more fulfilling. So, embrace the future. Start exploring AI tools today and see what amazing things you can achieve. Subscribe for more technology-related content. Leave a comment below and let me know what AI tools you're using and how they've changed your life. Check out the links in the video description for more information about the tools mentioned in this video.